have lots of different styles of welded mesh security fencing, including 358 mesh, twin wire, and double layer. Our welded mesh panels are galvanized to give superior protection against rust. The wire gauge is always measured before coating, and you'll see those measurements on our website, brochures, and drawings. This gives you an accurate representation of exactly how strong our wire is. Our EuroGuard panels feature these anti-vandal mesh security clips that allow them to securely attach to posts. The fixings are tamper-proof and installed on the secure side of the fence to prevent access and removal. Here is a sample of our EuroGuard Combi fencing, which is our unique timber and steel combination fencing. This type of fencing is ideal for anywhere that needs privacy and concealment. This could be around school playing fields, to stop interaction with the public, or around a high security property to prevent sight of sensitive or classified operations. We have so many variations of mesh available to suit all risks and applications, ranging from sports mesh to high security mesh with LPCB, NPSA, and secured by design approvals. Our vertical bar fencing range is vast, featuring many different styles to suit varied applications. This is a sample of our Barbican fencing, which is one of the most popular in our range. Variations of Barbican include the addition of finials and rounded pails, as well as cranked top and barbed top pails. What makes Barbican so secure is the way it's joined together. It has a pail through rail construction, so the pails cannot be prized away from the rails. This also removes the need for bolts holding the pails to the rails. It's connected to the posts using hidden connectors, meaning it's very difficult to remove the panel from the posts. It has a tubular construction, so it's nice and light, but very strong. Pail spacing is 129mm center to center, meaning it complies with building regulations. Vertical bar fencing is so versatile, it can be installed around a school perimeter or even a high security data center. It's also available with an NPSA or LPS 1175 rating and secured by design preferred specification approval. In terms of sustainability, it carries our 25-year service life guarantee, and it also helps with biodiversity. Unlike with mesh fencing, hedgehogs and small animals can freely move between pails, which is critical to their survival. Our ornamental metal railings are one of the most popular options within our metal railings range. They are our modern alternative to traditional decorative wrought iron railings. Traditionally, decorative metal railings and wall railings are installed on site by welding, which requires specialist installers or unsecure fixing methods, like bolts through the flat bar to the posts, which put panels at risk of being stolen. Made from galvanized tubular steel, our metal railings are strong but lightweight and easy to install, not requiring any welding on site like traditional railings and connected by hidden tamper-proof connectors. Traditional wrought iron railings are usually painted black. Unfortunately, that paint chips and cracks away, leaving the metal exposed and a very untidy finish. With Jackson's metal railings, you're getting a modernized version of a traditional looking fence, but without the upkeep, and you get an additional 25-year service life guarantee. Our ornamental railings have been installed around residential properties, schools, parks, seafronts, and commercial properties to provide a secure but decorative boundary fence. There is a wide range of decorative finial options available so that you can customize to your own requirements and environment. All of our panels can be polyester powder coated on site here in Kent. Having our own powder coating plant allows us to control the process, making sure that we use the highest quality coatings. It's worth noting that our dimensions are specified pre-coating, unlike some other manufacturers in the industry that specify dimensions after coating the product. When a fence panel goes in, it will be hot dip galvanized, but when it comes out, it will have a glossy finish to the color of your choice. Unlike traditional paint that needs to be renewed every year, polyester powder coating is a lot more durable. It doesn't chip, flake, or crack, and it means that your product is a lot less vulnerable to rust. Our acoustic barrier and gate system was introduced in 2004 and was specifically designed to provide good noise reduction performance, sustainability, security, and importantly to blend in with the surrounding environment. Since then, the acoustic range has grown to include absorptive and high security variants, and the system has been used successfully across many sectors, including transport, education, business and industry, and housing. In fact, all the way up to protecting critical infrastructure. The effectiveness of an acoustic barrier is therefore determined by 5 main factors: material density, barrier construction, barrier height, distance between noise source and receiver, and the relative height source and receiver in respect to the barrier.